Hello my dear students, so we are going to solve this question today. This question actually says that figure 9.2 shows an aircraft being refueled through a rubber hose. So this question is related to static electricity. So you can see the first part of the question, what they have asked is suggest how fuel flowing through the hose can cause a large buildup of electric charge on the aircraft. So what you have to write, so main keyword here is friction, because of the friction between the fuel and the hose. So what fuel and the hose, so what it will do, it will get charged. So it will get charged. So you will write due to the friction between fuel and hose. So what it will cause? So because of this friction, it will get charged. It will get charged. Recharged. Since hose is in contact with the aircraft, which will cause large buildup of electric charge. So you can write which can cause large buildup of electric charge, which can cause large. So here you can write same thing, large buildup of electric charge. So this is the first part of the question. Now we will see the second part of the question. The aircraft is refueled on a particular day when the tires and wheels are wet. Explain why there will be no large buildup of charge in this case. So here this is actually related to means the tires are wet. So what it will do, the current will flow through the tires to the ground. So it is related to earthing. So you can write here the main keyword is earthing. So as the wet tires will be in contact with the ground, so it will act like an earthing. So it will act like an earthing. It act as an earthing, you can write as earthing. So in this way this question is done. Thanks for watching.